What if I told you you could run ChatGPT like AI model locally without any internet connection or API? All you need is a Python with Olama. Welcome to Brain Glitch. This is the Gen AI 101 Beginner to Expert series. Let's get started. So first, let's understand what is Olama. Olama is a platform that lets you run open source language models locally. You can download it directly from their official site. You can see there are the several models available here. I already have a Olama in my laptop. It's the latest version and there are the models also available which I already installed. To install any Olama model, all you need this command Olama pull and the model name with parameter. So what's exactly is parameter? Technically, parameters are the weight assigned to the different tokens during training. This weight helps the model understand the context and generate responses. To keep it simple, more parameters usually means better understanding and richer responses. Alright, let's move on the demo. To use Olama with Python, the first step is to install the library. For that, just run the pip install Olama. You can run on the terminal or you can run it here also. So import the Olama. Now if you want to check which models are already installed on your machine, you can use this command olama.list. This gives a lots of details about models. To simplify, I just put that Olama list into the for loop to get all the models only, which helped me to see all the models available on my laptop. You can see this many models are available. To get a response from the model, all we need is model name and properly structured message. In LLM, message is generally structured in the JSON format, and here we basically pass two things. One is a role and another is a content. The role is nothing but who we are and content is nothing but the prompt. To get a response from the model, we use the chat method from the Olama library. So the format looks like this olama.chat. Now this method supports several parameters. One of the parameter is stream, which we will discuss in the next session. For now, we shall keep it simple, just passing the model name and the message. Here we are using a Gemma 3 model, specifically the 1 billion parameter version. It fails because we missed the run message. Let's run the message and then response. It will take some time because it will load on the local RAM and CPU. Meanwhile, let's talk about Gemma 3 model. So Gemma 3 is model developed by the Google, which you consider as is like a mini ChatGPT. It's capable to do so many tasks, and we will get to know what are the tasks they are capable to do by the response because we ask the question who are you and the what are your capabilities. So it is he is the one who will tell about it. Whenever we get a response, it come up with a lots of detail. So for that we have to extract the output. That's why I return in the response dot message dot content. You can see it gives the detail about the model. So it's developed by the Google DeepMind and capable of this many tasks just like a ChatGPT. Before we proceed further, let's have a quick introduction of this article I have written. This article covers all the GenAI basics which all you need to know. It will help you to build a strong foundation. Link in description. Alright, let's move the next demo. This time we are adding the system prompt by assigning the role as a system and giving it clear instruction. The idea is simple. We want the model to convert a plain user message into the valid SQL query. For example, system prompt might be something like always responds with the valid SQL code based on the user's input. Now let's try the user prompt. To filter a data where the gender is male and city is Mumbai, we pass this to the model and here we go. It gives us the valid SQL query in seconds. In the first time in history, the computer able to not only the understand the human language but able to intelligently respond also. And that's the power of LLM. That what makes the GenAI so powerful. It simplifies the complex task and let you focus on what you want to build, not just how to build it. If you want me to cover any specific topic, then drop your comment. Join our Discord channel to connect with us and check out my article on Medium as a notes.
Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming Gmail videos.
Thanks for watching.